Hello everyone, coming to you from Wonderous Nails featuring Color Street nail polish with the live demonstration on how to apply the nail polish. And helping me today is my handy dandy assistant.
Hello.
Okay, so we are going to demonstrate a solid color and glitter color. Now, normally you'll have a full pack set like this, and it'll come with 2 sets. Okay, so give me a hand. Now, what you would want to do is, of course, you would go ahead and pre-prep your nails. You would, cut your cuticles if you like to do that, or push them back, however you like to clean your nails. File in whatever shape you like to file them in, round or square. Then, or because you would, and do your buffing. So now I do think it is important for, if you're doing solid colors, to make sure that you buff your nail to make sure it's smooth and even so that the solid color can look nice. All right. The last part of the pre-prep would be to use your pre-prep pad, which is pretty much an alcohol pad. So you just take your alcohol pad and you would just rub the nail to make sure that you get any oil off your nail. And this is going to help the nail polish adhere better. Okay, so we are going to start with the solid color. So I'm going to do her thumb. So what you want to do is, the packs come with multiple sizes, so you want to size it before you unpeel it to see which side you want to put on the finger. I'm going to use this side of it. You can't see it as good on this one, but I'll show you. Here's this one here. Like, so one side is wider than the other side, so then you can do multiple nails or different size fingers with it. All right, so first, I forgot which side I was going to say I was going to do.
Is it yeah,
this side?
One.
Okay. So first, you peel off the protective cover. Then I like to peel off the backing here to expose the sticky side. Okay. And then you want to pull off the handle like so. Okay. Then you just take the nail polish and get it, kind of close to your cuticle area, like so. And you're going to have this piece here hanging off. So you just smooth it on. Hold on, I'm smoothing this way. Smooth it. Give it a little tug to make sure your little edges are nice and straight with no buckles. And then you can just take and either, some people like to file it down with the file to get it off, but it's really easy if you just take and use your other finger and just press underneath like so. See? Boom, it's off. There. Now, and it's done. I like to do a little smooth prepping. You can take your cuticle thing and just kind of smooth around the edges if you like, or underneath, just to make sure the piece that wrapped under your nail is nice and smooth. And I think that helps them to even last even longer when it kind of wraps up under your finger like that. So there, nice and smooth. Okay. Now we're gonna do glitter. So usually your strip comes in a strip, and you just easily tear your strip apart. And if you have short fingernails, you can get 2 uses out of one little strip here. So you can kind of size. Okay, so this side here for her works for the skinnier side, and I can use the wider side on her pointer finger here. Okay, so what I like to do is first I peel off the protective coat, And then cut it in half.
I'll take this piece.
Like so. Okay.
Okay, we got 2 pieces.
Yep. And so then what you can do now is go ahead and take off the back. Got the sticky side exposed here. Hand, please.
Here you go.
Okay, so then I'm going to put it on. Now, if you don't get it exactly how you like, you can pull it right back off and stick it back on there. And so see, even with her little short nails, I still got excess hanging there. So you definitely can get more than one use, more than one finger use out of it. This is beautiful. Rub it on good, you know. Do your little tug to get any bubbles on the end. You know, kind of wrap it closed here. Do your little push underneath the nail. And there you go. It's on there. Oh, that's nice. And do your little smoothing out if you like, if you need to. Or you know, if you prefer, file a little edge. Bam. Wait, where's the camera at? There we go. Beautiful. Okay. Now she wants a pattern, so we're doing dark, solid glitter, solid glitter. Okay, so now I can take the other half of the glitter that I used and put it on her other finger. So I just can take, there you go. Pull it off the little tip. Model hand, please.
Here you go.
Okay. Put it on like so. Rub into place very nicely. Okay. Do your little tug on the corners there. You know, take your finger, press, and remove. Let me rub it a little more on the corner there. All right. And then there you go. Nice and done. You know? And if you're a perfectionist like I am, you want to just kind of take and press it a little bit up under the nail bed there just to make sure that's sticking good. Boom. Model your hand, please. Do this number. Closer to the camera. All right. Nice. And we also, Color Street also has pedicure application kits as well. And it does have petite sets for really small fingers. I actually didn't use a petite set on her, but you can, there are petite sets, you know, for people with small hands, or if you want to do mommy daughter time with your kids, you could use the petite set on them. All right, so thank you guys for watching. Be colorful, be brilliant, be Color Street. Say bye-bye.
Bye.